Welcome to Songbird, a luxury villa where tranquility meets elegance. An entire villa, just for you. Spacious, serene, and private. Designed for those who seek a true escape, whether with family, friends, or simply yourself. With 2 large bedrooms, lush greenery, birdsongs and cascading waters fill your senses. Time slows down. You reconnect, recharge, and remember what peace feels like. Modern amenities, timeless charm. Whether you're celebrating something special or simply indulging in a well-deserved break, at Songbird, privacy, comfort, and unforgettable memories await. Come, find another home at Songbird.